It's much easier to get rich when you avoid this. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich effortlessly while others struggle their whole lives? Today, I'm going to reveal a crucial mistake you must avoid if you want to build wealth successfully. And trust me, it's much easier than you think. Let's dive in. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get to the heart of today's topic. Number 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. You might be wondering, what's that? Well, it's when your spending increases as your income goes up. Imagine getting a raise at work and immediately upgrading your car or moving to a more expensive apartment. It's so tempting, right? But here's the catch. As your expenses rise, your ability to save and invest diminishes. Instead, when you get that raise, keep your lifestyle the same and invest the extra income. This way, you're building wealth rather than spending it all. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should buy it. Remember, the goal is financial freedom. Number 2. Ditch the debt. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. Credit cards, payday loans, and other high-interest debts can keep you trapped in a cycle of payments. For example, if you have a credit card with a 20% interest rate and you're only making minimum payments, you're paying way more over time than what you initially borrowed. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods to accelerate your progress. The sooner you're free from high-interest debt, the more money you can allocate towards saving and investing. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected expenses. Medical emergencies, car repairs, job loss. Without an emergency fund, these surprises can derail your financial plans. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. Think of it as a safety net that keeps you from falling into debt when life throws you a curveball. With an emergency fund, you can handle surprises without compromising your financial goals. Number 4. Invest wisely. Saving money is essential, but investing it is how you build wealth. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Start by educating yourself on different investment options: stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. Consider using index funds for a simple and effective way to invest in the stock market. They offer broad market exposure, low fees, and have historically provided solid returns. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and consistent. Number 5. Live below your means. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. Living below your means doesn't mean living a deprived life. It means making conscious choices about how you spend your money. Prioritize your spending on what truly matters to you and cut back on what doesn't. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. This gives you more room to save, invest, and grow your wealth. There you have it, 5 key principles to avoid if you want to make getting rich much easier. Avoid lifestyle inflation, ditch the debt, build an emergency fund, invest wisely, and live below your means. These steps are simple but powerful, and they can transform your financial future. If you found these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to wealth starts with the right choices.